Say ah. Say ah. Say ah.
Mr. Bombastic.
Excuse me?
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
I'm a pretty girl. And pretty girls are never lonely.
Real mature, Huxley.
Oh, please. You never threw an axe when you were my age?
Of course I did. I never missed.
¿Ven quién es esta?
¿La cucaracha?
Esta es la reina Isabel, monarca de Inglaterra. Adoro su trabajo y en serio, quiero su corona. Consíganme la corona y todos sus sueños.
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
Doctor, I can't tell if I'm not me.
Monster! Fight me! No? How nice. Another servant come to be my little toy. Come then, little toy. Come kneel before me. I said fight me, monster! Yes. And I said kneel.
She's a 10, but she dyes her hair pink.
She's a 10, but she looks like a man.
She's a 10, but her parents are divorced.
She's a 10, but she has an Adam's apple.
She's a 10, but she listens to BTS.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her roots done.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her nose done.
She's a 10, but she can't even fix her daddy issues.
She's a 10, but she got cheated on, but went back to the guy even though we all told her not to.
She's a 10, but she has man shoulders.
She's a 10, but she can't even do her makeup.
She's a 10, but she needs makeup.
This is what your favorite one of these says about you. You're choosing the safest option. Maybe a little bit overrated, but it's still a good one. All right, we get it. You like this one. This may not be everyone's favorite, but it's yours, and you're totally chill about it. You're into the classics. You're old. You're really old. Your social security number is 2. You are one pretentious hipster. Officer, it's this one, right here. Oh, you're cool. I like you. No way. You actually know that one? Can we be friends? This one's just a phase. You'll grow out of it when you grow up. You will never grow up. Oh, you picked this one to be different. How clever. If you chose this one, you are a liar. This is no one's favorite. If you chose this one, you are correct. This is
Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to design one of these and create your own base. But this is my method, so it's not going to be like everyone else's method since I paint my puppets, so just keep that in mind. First things first, I know the base is going to be very like flimsy and all because it's not going to work very well when you try opening it or whatsoever. So by the way, just to let you guys know, make sure you put enough paper here in the places where they are connected because that will kind of determine how well it opens or not. So just letting you know. Firstly, what you're going to have to do is trace down this top part of the base on the paper. Like this. Now you're going to take the design you're looking for, like whatever dragon you want, and you're going to draw the top part of that head onto this. I know this is looking plain, but trust the process. So now you're going to want to cut this and make 6 of these. Just letting you know, if you don't use paint like I do, firstly I'd recommend coloring in and drawing the design as you like it, and then cut it out. After you got your 6 parts, now we're going to make the bottom part of the base design first, before we just paste this. So this is what I do. I usually put the top base here, and I see how I want to make the bottom part of the base look like. I draw it out, cut it out, and you're going to make 2 of these. So now you will see my design will look something like this. So I have 2 of these. I'd recommend beforehand tracing off one of them like this, up to the point where it cuts. This will be the middle bases. Take 4 of these and cut them directly there, like that. The 2 that you didn't cut will be on the sides. Now you add the middle ones. Now it should look like this. Now what I do is add more paper here. Like you connected these, connect these as well. It will help to keep the base more sturdy. Like this. Now it will help keep the base more together and sturdy. Now add the jaws. And there you guys go. That is so far as it will look like. So now we're going to do the top. So trace the size of the triangles of the dragon and cut them out. Like this. Now fold them. After you have folded them, cut the edges like this. Now the head part would be very flexible, so you can easily paste it in the head part. So you're going to paste it on top in here. Like this, and do the rest. And there you go guys, the puppet head is complete. I'll do a part 2 to show you guys how to put accessories and color.
But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? I always feel like somebody's watching me. How and I think of all the times you screwed me over.
My is so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you.
Spin the fucking bottle. If you the reason why it's simply spin the fucking bottle.
Bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow. Here I come.
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you stressing, man. Most of you actors, man. I ain't wanna be with you. Hey, I ain't wanna be with you. Come on. Oh.
don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Like para parte 2.
You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow. Here I
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you stressing, man. Most of you actors, man.